जल्दी आओ, ये गन ये मेरा यार, मैं मजबूर है। छोड़ दो।
Yes, of course, the law enforcement agencies are entitled for self-defense, but they should not be offensive in that sense that if there's no firing from the other side. But invariably you hear the story that when we went to this area, these guys started firing and we had to fire back, and that there was an encounter. But there's no check on it because there's no investigation taking place.
Sometimes policemen themselves say, I feel like killing him on the spot, because I know the matter will go to the court and the conviction rate is very low.
There are a lot of issues with the courts as well. I'm talking about the lower courts now, where bails are granted on flimsy documents and fake documents, and the criminal gets away with it. The solution to minimize, I wouldn't say end, the extrajudicial or illegal killings would be to reforming the entire criminal justice system and not just talk about the police being reformed in isolation. It has to be along with the judicial reforms, along with the jail reforms in tandem. In the present situation when the criminal justice system is not functional, I think it is very important for citizens to play a proactive role in such cases, to pressurize all the three, police, the judiciary. The jail comes in later on, but it's very important for the citizens to be proactive and ensure follow-up action and make sure that the family gets justice.
हमने जो रिवायत डाली है इस शहर में और इस मुल्क में कि ये कत्ले आम, ये इनकाउंटर बंद करो। 4 अगर दहशतगर्द मारते हो और 1 मासूम मारते हो, उस मासूम की जान ज्यादा कीमती है। खून का हिसाब लो, खून का